Hello everyone, I'm Archana Bobde again in front of you with the new topic fraction. What is fraction? It is a number which represents the parts of a whole. Parts of a whole. Let's take an example. I'm drawing here one figure. You can consider it as your chapati also. Okay. Now this figure is a complete figure. You can write it as a whole figure. If I am making four equal parts of the same figure, equal parts, then this figure represents a fraction. And this fraction can be written in the form of A by B, where A is the numerator and B is the denominator. And this this slash is called as a division bar or fraction bar. Division bar or fraction bar. Now this A by B, we can write it as a numerator by denominator. Now what we are writing in denominator? In denominator we are writing total number of equal parts of a whole. And what you are writing in numerator? Parts considered. Now to explain this, I am going to shade this region. So what will be the fraction of shaded part? You are going to write n by d in the form of n by d. Okay. What you will write in the total number of equal parts of a whole. So how many total number of equal parts in this figure? 4. So I am writing 4 in denominator. What you will write in numerator? What you have written here? Parts considered. Now you are writing fraction for the shaded part. So consider only shaded part. So how many shaded parts are here? Only 1. So I will write here 1. So your fraction for shaded part will be 1 by 4. Now what will be the fraction for unshaded part? Again here in denominator total number of equal parts of a whole 4 only. So 4 I will write here. And how many unshaded parts are there? 1, 2, 3. So I am going to write here 3. So what is here unshaded part? Fraction 3 by 4. From this I think you got this idea how you have to write the fraction. Now we will turn to the types of fraction. Types of fraction. First, like fraction. Fractions with the same denominator. Fractions with the same denominator are called like fraction. For example, 3 by 17, 9 by 17, 21 by 17. See all these fractions with the same denominator. All these fractions are with the same denominator. So these are called like fractions. Now unlike fraction, it is just opposite to the like fraction. Like fraction with the same denominator. Unlike fraction with different denominators. Different denominators. Example, 3 by 17, 5 by 12, 20 by 7. You can see in all these fractions, denominators are different and therefore these fractions are called unlike fractions. Now next is unit fraction. Fraction with numerator 1. Numerator 1 are called unit fraction. For example, 1 by 15, 1 by 17, 1 by 3. You can see in all these fractions, denominators are different, but numerator is 1. Therefore, these fractions are called unit fractions. Next, proper fraction. What is proper fraction? A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. What is proper fraction? The numerator is less than the denominator. For example, 3 by 7. Here 3 is the numerator which is less than the denominator, that is 7. So 3 by 7 is the proper fraction. One more example, 21 by 29. Here 21 is less than 29, that is n is less than d. Therefore, this is also a proper fraction. Now next, improper fraction. Improper fraction is opposite to that of proper fraction. Here the numerator is less than the denominator, and here the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. See here, what is improper fraction? The numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. For example, 14 by 8. Here, numerator is 14 and denominator is 8. 14 is greater than 8. That means numerator is greater than the denominator, and therefore this is a improper fraction. Next, one more example I am taking here, 6 by 6. Okay, here numerator is equal to the denominator, 6 is equals to the 6. Therefore, this is also an improper fraction. Now next is the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is the sum of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 3, 1 by 4. Here, this is the proper fraction and this 3 is a whole number. Here 1 by 4 is a proper fraction and 3 is a whole number. Therefore, 3 1 by 4 is a mixed fraction. Next, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction have different numerators and denominators but are equal to the same value. See here, in this fraction, equivalent fraction, there are different numerators and denominators but value of that fractions are same. How it is? Example I am taking here, 3/7. Next, 6/14. Next, 9/21. Now here 3/7. Here 6/14. Here I can reduce this fraction. So 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14. So here fraction after reducing you will get 3/7. Next here, again reduce this fraction. 3 3s are 9 and 3 7s are 21. So after reducing this fraction, again you are getting 3/7. As you are getting the same value, these fractions are called equivalent fraction. From all these explanations, I hope you understood what is fraction and types of fraction. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.